What's yo? Shibidi. Who are you? What's good, man, sir? It's your boy, Paul the Saint. I like the way I'm standing in front of people's houses and doing this intro. But nonetheless, what's good, man, sir? It's your boy, Paul the Saint. Today, I even started. I'm sorry. I got so excited. I went to go buy this thing by the China Mall. Same place where I went to go and buy the lights. So today you saw by the title and thumbnail, we are installing the fog lights. So I got the fog lights, the one with the button or the remote, so you can wait. Focus, what is wrong with you? I got the one with the remote and the flashlights. The button. But anyways. Yeah. Let's do that. I almost started without you. That's how happy I was. So the fog lights that we bought in a couple of videos back. You got your relay, you got your fuse, you got your mechanisms. Engine base 30. We're gonna get there one day. So yeah, we must just put the fog lights in, eh? So let me just show you something. Eh? Okay, so there's it. Bum, 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 bum. Yo, dat sound gonna start old. Yo. Then we have, yeah, it all work with remote. So we gotta put this on. Yo, what real man? So me, I'm happy. Yo, I'm excited for this thing, side. But anyways, let me continue my contraptions. And yeah, I've been waiting for this for very long. So it's my small video for you all this week. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The car is gonna be getting a makeover. Well, just the front piece, because yeah, I mean, taking this thing out shouldn't be so easy. I don't know when though, but yeah, we're gonna get there one day. So one thing I should also mention to you guys, so this is how the lights come, né? You buy the lights like this, then you still need to go buy the connector for the light. I think this is 9005 if I'm not mistaken, but yeah, and then you still need to go buy these connectors so you can connect this thing to the wiring kit. But lucky for me, I got the whole set with heat shrink. So yes, see, it's done and dusted. I won't lie, I did that off camera because I was excited, I was happy. But now what I need to do is I need to tap into the wiring kit to run other wires, because the wiring kit is mainly only for one fog light, but you obviously, as an electrician or as someone that does cars, you do know that you're supposed to now cut and join. That's why we have all of those things. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try and film it. If not, I'm sorry. So yeah, I'm happy. So basically, man, so this is the whole wiring kit. So this is what plugs into it. Anyways, yeah, you can see this is the plugs. This is what the lights plug into. So I need to tap into this one for either the left hand side or the right hand side. And then you have your fuse, your relay, your switch, which I'm gonna cut off, and then I'm gonna use the switch, but I got the one with the fog lights on, obviously. And then you also have your remote. So what I done was I put this ones in now. So here's my wire that I'm gonna run to the left side or the right side. So unfortunately I don't have Nikita here because she's busy and I don't necessarily want to disturb her. So I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't have a tripod. It got lost. So man, so I put the one fog light in. Then you have, yeah, just looking at it is bright. So you have different modes. I don't know how many modes, but it looks like you have a few actually. Yeah. Anyways, imagine I slide all my lights like this, yo, and I slide you with bright. Yo. But yeah, I wonder if they're gonna make a big difference. Looking at them in the daylight, just looking at them straight, it's a bit bright. So you have different modes, obviously. I think that all, I didn't put that one in yet, I'm still struggling there. Then you can switch them off, on, and they stay on, off, on, flash. And then obviously you hear your relay here, your flash relay. But yo, I'm happy. Only problem is, yo, I don't know, I might have to end up taking this whole bumper off to put the wiring inside the bumper and secure it, because yeah, I can't just leave everything laying like this. So yeah, obviously now this one is for you. And then I'm gonna run those wires through, and then hopefully there's somewhere where I can put the main switch wire. Where is the switch wire? Yeah, this one. Switch wire inside, and then obviously I can switch it on and off with this, which I'm gonna use the OEM Polo switch for it. So yeah, that's what I have so far. Completion, it's installed, both of them. Wiring wise, yo, that's a mission, and I'm alone. I need help. Yo, can't I just split myself into two? That part will be built and I'll be the same. But let me show ya. 3, 2, 1. When God said let it be light, I made sure I did answer. So that's on, that's off, that's on, and then we flash them. We slide them so. We slide them so. Yeah, we slide them so. Now, I must run cables. I don't know how I'm gonna run those cables. But yeah, let me tell you something for nothing. I think I'll be able to run them maybe inside there. I think. Or maybe, I just hope I don't have to take this cover off. I hope I don't. But I think for now, cable wise, I'm just gonna slide them with cable ties for now. Because wow. Yeah, wow. But you can say what you want. I wanna see how those things look at night. I hope I don't have to seriously adjust them. But hey, Polo saying they're fog lights. So there's it. There's it. Driving lights, park lights. Bash! Yeah! Man, so yeah, they're saying someone look more sexy than ever. I just have to, I'm telling you now, once this car get a wash, once this car get new lights in front, headlights, once a car is dropped evenly, oh, Lovely. My gosh. I'm telling you, this guy looks sexy. This guy is one of one. Exactly.
Hi, Mensa.
Guys, that is Shannon, that is Nikita's friend. You can see the glasses.
Hey, stop. Fucking
Okay,
cut to my friend.
sorry. I'll just leave the car to be.
You must wait for me now. Because I have
Okay, so for Chaya, you see the sign there, you see the sign. Let me switch just light off. Switch off. Did you hear Shannon's car here? Kuala the sign. Go in front. Enough. 1, 2, 3. Just yes.
It looks very nice.
Ash, thank you the same. Staying
Now we
low.
can chase the bakkies on now.
Thank you, Saint Low.
I know it's by Lloyd.
Okay, just reverse quickly. I want to see how bright it is. Yo, it looks very lekker bright, huh? Huh? Switch your lights off. Switch your lights off. Ay, Kuala the Saint, man. Kuala the Saint. Oh, baby. You are looking sexy. Not this baby. Oh, I look sexy, wah. I your owner stand burner. Your owner stand burner. Okay, thank you. Just switch your lights off. Switch the car off. I need light. You can't see me. Yeah. So I tried my best to film for you properly. I'm gonna show you all a bit in another clip of what I did to mount the wires for now. The fog lights look lekker, they're shining very nice on the bikeys on the road. So this is your boy with his car keys and his fog lights remote. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's your boy Boulder Saint signing off. Nikita and Shannon in the car, yeah. Peace out.